welcome back to Master NCH Software. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel, like, comment, and let me know what you will love to learn on our next video. But on this video, we are focusing on something which is totally different and very easy. We are focusing, it is very easy. Okay, yeah, easy. It's very easy. So today what we're focusing on making an image to be a little bit brighter, lighter. That is what we will be, that is what we will be focusing on. Hope you can understand what I'm saying. Hope you can understand what I'm saying. And on this video, I will move as slow as I can. So first thing, you have to move you move your cursor to exposure. After going to exposure, we have to increase the amount of the exposure because we want to make an image to be a little bit brighter and lighter. We increase it. Let's get it to 15. I think 15 is okay. It seems as there's no difference. Let's go to 50. Then we close it. Too much. It is too much. Let's go back to our 15 and let's leave it to load. Let's leave it to load. We didn't give it enough time to load. Okay, then we can go to put it on 20. Then we'll put auto level is little bit brighter. Okay, let's click Control A, Control C, then we put it to another side so that we can see the difference. So this one is the one which I put the auto increasing exposure on this image. This one I have to remove. Click Control D, then we remove exposure. So here down we can see this image is brighter than this image, but we are not yet done. We can go to auto levels. We just click auto level, everything will come automatically. It will shape your image and it will make your image to the coloring to be on level, not like on the corner to your color will be more darker and here to be more lighter. So it will make everything to be on the same level. Everything will be lighter, and you can see here down this image is darker and this image is more lighter. What else we can do? We can go to filters. We click color boost. The reason we use color boost right now is to hold back everything we used. Hold back everything we used. We don't want everything to be like there is a effect like a windy effect. We want everything we use to be strong and to be held back. So we can decrease the brightness and we put it on 40. Actually, we can increase the brightness and decrease the amount. So what we have to decrease is the amount. We want our amount to be on 10. So it will hold at 10% of what we have done. Then we can increase the brightness. Let's get it to 60. It's loading. We can close it and wait for it until it's done loading.